Types of the sentences: simple sentence, one clause. You will find only one main clause, means one subject, one verb, and one object. It is the set of one main clause. Okay. Next one is the compound sentence, and in compound sentence you will see that there are two clauses. Okay, two main clauses will be joined by the conjunction, that is fanboys. Fanboys is a code to learn the conjunction, that is F for, F stands for, A stands for and for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So this is fanboys. These are the conjunctions. Okay, so you can learn this code, and with the help of this code you can relate it that the compound sentence will be connected by these particular conjunctions. Okay, next one is the complex sentence. In complex sentence you will find one main clause and another one will be the dependent. Okay, another clause will be depend on the first main clause. Okay, though it was late, I wasn't tired. Okay, it was late means it is mentioned that it was late, but it is because it is related with the main clause. Okay, somewhere it is without one another is not making sense. Okay, so that's why I wasn't late was a main clause, and although with the help of with the although they are adding this main clause with the another subordinate clause. Okay, other dependent clause. Okay, so next this slide, as you can see, this is elaborated with the example, contains subject, a predicate, expresses a complete thought, which we have studied in the previous slide. Same thing is expressed with the example, and tips is also given. A simple sentence is also called the an independent clause. Okay, a main clause, a set of main clause. Okay, likewise example, the boys went to the park and I like pizza, contains two clauses. Same, we have already studied two main clauses, set of two main clauses added by the conjunction fanboys. Okay, next statement is complex sentence. In complex sentence it contains one main clause and more than two dependent clauses, two or more clause dependent clauses. Okay, and here the tips are like look for these. You could find these subordinating conjunctions like after, before, because, although, when, since, if, whenever, unless, while, so, that, even, though, wherever. These can be, you could see in complex sentences, can be seen in the complex sentences. So with this hint you can also relate it how and what are the complex sentences. Okay, now some confusing set of conjunctions are there, you could memorize it. Okay, because in simple sentences you could see that in spite of is given, despite is given, then verb, on account of. So these are the phrases given, phrases. With the help of the phrases the sentences is starting, but still they are simple sentences. Okay, phrases are the group of words which does not have a complete sense. So in spite of is a phrase. Okay, so example, you could see all the examples one by one. In spite of his poverty, he is honest. Being sick, he cannot attend the class. These are making one complete sense. So phrases, if the sentence is starting with the phrase and it is one main clause, then that will be simple clause. Don't get ever confused. So these, just look at these set of the phrases which starts with at the beginning of the sentence, but they can be in the different forms like simple, compound, and complex. Okay, so you have to memorize these, there is no shortcut. Okay, so these are the set, you can later on relate it. Next one is set of examples I gave you one by one. Simple sentences are here. Likewise, I want to be a computer engineer. He likes to paint by himself. I can run faster than him. I'm not sure about the universe. So these kind of main clauses are called as simple sentences. Now look at the compound, few examples. I want to lose weight, yet I eat chocolate daily. I eat chocolate daily, itself a complete sense. And I want to lose weight. This is also complete, and it is added by the yet conjunction. Okay, so that's why it is a compound sentence, because it is adding with two main clauses. Same examples. Michael did not like to read. She She was not very good at it. Okay, Michael. Okay. Next is they wanted to go to Paris. They wanted to go to it's set of a main clause. But I want to see London. I wanted to see London. I wanted to see London. Itself have a complete sentence. It is not required any other part, any other portion of the sentence. Okay. So this way. Fine. Next is complex sentence. Set of complex sentence. Although my friends begged me, I chose not to go to reunion. So now I chose not to go to reunion. That is the main clause. But what happened? It is dependent. The dependent clause is there. Although my friends begged me. Okay. This is dependent on the main clause. Okay. So in the same way, I learned English perfectly because I studied very hard. How I studied? I learned English perfectly. So this is the main clause. How it is dependent? How I studied very hard in that way. So you could see the further examples, and I'm going to close the video here. Have a happy learning, children.